I'm not too sure if this subject is weird, or you're even weirder for clicking this video. But let's leave that aside and try to actually answer this legitimate question. Can budgies mate with other birds and have chicks? You have to admit, scrolling down and seeing titles like these can be hilarious. Although this question seems funny, and people tend to think that it's impossible for budgies to crossbreed with other birds, going online actually proves us that budgies can and will mate with cockatiels, lovebirds, and possibly other birds too. Some footage shows us that these different species can really love and bond with each other. But other footage can be a bit disturbing and almost seems like the budgie is being molested by this cockatiel. So the first question is answered. Yes, budgies can indeed mate with other small birds. But let's find out what's going to be the outcome. Will the hen actually lay eggs and create some sort of Budgietail hybrid? Some people report their budgies and cockatiels or lovebirds were mating and the hen did lay eggs. But it's known that hens can lay eggs without even mating. So this doesn't necessarily mean that the eggs are fertilized and have a hybrid chick inside. However, there is a case of a budgie and a lovebird that supposedly mated and succeeded in creating a healthy hybrid chick. Too bad though that there isn't a picture of the chick. But they described it as having the shape and markings of a budgie, and the head, neck, and about half the upper body shows the coloration of a lovebird. In conclusion, we haven't discovered yet if there is a living Budgietail or a love budgie out there, simply because of the fact that there is no real documentation or photos or videos, and also because of the fact that these are entirely different species, and science does tell us that they cannot breed with each other. So until there is scientific evidence with pictures to support it, the answer remains that it is indeed impossible for budgies and other birds to breed.